Hey scholars, so we were just talking about how we can make the sound S, which doesn't vibrate, and Z, which does vibrate. And you were listening to words that had either the S or Z sound. Let's take a look at how we can spell that sound. We have this letter, which says S. Again, what sound? Yes, S. If I check, S. That's the quiet one. I don't feel any vibrations. This sound is Z. Say it with me. Z. By yourselves. Yes, Z. If I check that sound, Z, I do feel the vibration on my voice box. Take a look at these words here. If I were to sound this one out, I would sound it out like this. Sip. Sip makes the S sound. This word, sound it out. Z, it. Zit. Zit makes the buzzy sound. But did you know that this letter can sometimes make the buzzy sound? Zzz. Take a look at my word list right here. Some of these words, this letter is going to make the S sound. In some of these words, this letter is going to make the Z sound. Listen carefully. This word is pots. 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 The last sound I hear in that word is S. So this letter says S. This word is cups. Cups. If I sound it out, cups. The last sound I hear is S. This word is pans. 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 Ooh. I noticed that that one didn't say S. It said Z, the buzzy way. Again, pans. Pans. So in this case, that letter says the Z sound. Listen to this one. Does it make the buzzy sound? Mugs. What do you think? Sound it out. Mugs. Again. Mugs. What was that sound? Mugs. Did you feel the vibration? This letter said the Z sound. Try this one. This word is mats. Mats. Sound it out. Mats. Mats. I didn't feel the vibration. This letter said S. How about this word? Rugs. Rugs. Did it make the buzzy sound? Sound it out. Rugs. Rugs. Did you feel the vibration? This letter said Z. So now, on our soundboard, I can say first sound S, other sound Z, because this letter can make two sounds.